Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use Google Finance Portfolio's Easy Guide. And if you're interested or looking to track and manage your investment, then this video is for you. Did you know that Google Finance isn't just checking stock prices? It is also a fantastic free tool to track your investment portfolios all in one place. Whether you've got a brokerage account, IRA, crypto holdings, or even international investments, Google Finance makes it super simple to stay organized. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to set up portfolios in Google Finance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to track your investment, monitor your performance, and even keep up with the news related to your holdings. So let's get started. First up is to open your web browser and go to Google. So as you can see, we're currently here onto Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the page where you see the grid of small dots, and that's the Google Apps button, which is this one. So click on it and then you'll need to scroll until you see Finance. So you should be able to see this logo in here and its word. So simply click onto that and the Google Finance homepage will open. So this is where all the magic happens. If you've never explored Google Finance before, you'll notice it offers a lot of helpful tools for tracking stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. So we have different markets that are available in here. There is also a search bar in here so that you can search for stocks, ETFs, and more. And there are things that you may be interested in. So as you can see, there is a little information button in here that says that this list is generated from your recent searches. So followed by securities and other activities that you're interested. So as you can see, we'll just need to scroll down. We have here the market trends, your list, wherein you could add in your watch list in here. You could add a new list for that, earnings calendar, and today's financial news. So you could see the top stories, local markets, world markets for that, and the one that are most followed on Google. So we have market trends here onto the bottom part, and you could discover more in your recently searches. So onto its bottom part, we have the help. You could send feedback, privacy, terms, and disclaimer. And since we're here already onto our homepage, it's time to create our first portfolio. So here on the homepage, look for the section that says new portfolio. So we should be able to see that one here onto the middle part with the plus icon. Simply click onto that and a window will open or pop up asking you to name your portfolio. So for example, if this portfolio is for your main brokerage account, name it something like that. So we can name it here. So simply type in and then simply click on save. And that is how you create your first portfolio. So right after doing that, you'll get redirected here onto this page. So from homepage, we're now here on list. So we could see the watch list in here. Your brokerage account recently created one, and you could create another list here if you click onto this icon here. So as you can see in here, nothing is onto this portfolio yet. So it's time to add in our investment in here to see performance and track returns. So to go ahead and add in investments to your portfolio, simply click on add investments button here onto the middle part. So this blue button, click onto that. Then right after, type the name or ticker symbol of the stock, ETF, or crypto that you want to add. So for example, if you own Apple stock, then you'll need to type in this certain code here or this ticker symbol, which is this one. Then you'll have to select it from the list. So just choose onto which one. Then right after, enter the number of shares you own here, the quantity for that, and then specify the dates you bought the shares and the price you paid per share. So type in the quantity here, the purchase date, and purchase price. So let's say in here that you bought 10 shares of Apple for 2017. So let's type in 10 here. And then the purchase date, let's put it on 2017, September. So let's choose any date here. And then let's add in a purchase price, like for example, $41 each. So add in just like that. And once you've entered the details, click on save. So if you want to add another, click on save and add another. But if that one will do, So if this is the only one, just simply click on save. So repeat this process for any additional shares or investments that you've purchased. You can add more buy dates if you bought shares of the same stocks at different times. So you'll just need to do it again. Now, right after that, it's time to view your portfolio performance. So after adding a few investments, you'll see your portfolio summary on the main page. So as you can see, this is the summary page already. Google Finance will automatically calculate your portfolio's value, total gains, and day to day performance. You can also view historical performance over 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years for that. So if you scroll down, you'll see detailed status about your portfolio, including the value of each investment, how much it's gained or lost, in market performance trends over the time. So just like what we've seen onto the homepage earlier. So we have in here, you could discover more that you may be interested in your recently searches, but here onto the upper part, we have the investment, which has our symbol name in here. We could click onto the activity that we have and the news and events onto that stock. So you could view onto that, also the earnings calendar in here, and the main one that we have in here. So this is where you could change the historical performance from a day, 5 days, a month, 6 months, year to date, a year, 5 years, and max. So we have here the highlights onto the right side, which are the day gain, total gain, and many more. So feel free to browse onto the different details that are offered in here. Now, if you have different types of investments, then you can create a separate portfolio to keep things organized. So, for example, this is our first portfolio, which is the brokerage account. So, we could create an ERA or 401k account or crypto investment. So, to create another portfolio, so we're just going to click on new portfolio again or this one. So we could create a new portfolio by clicking onto these three horizontal lines or the main menu. So if you click onto that, we could see in here our first portfolio ever made. To create a new one, simply click onto the plus icon and the same thing, it will ask you to name it again. So we're going to name this, for example, crypto. So type in crypto in there and then click on save. So we're just going to add investments in here just like what we did earlier. So click on add investment. So type in any name in here. So feel free to choose which one. So for example, this one, Roblox, and then we'll choose the quantity, the purchase date for that. Let's make it around May. And then just let the purchase price be. Click on save. And as you can see, we have added a new portfolio in here. So we have two already here. And Google Finance will display all of your portfolios together on the homepage so that you can easily see their combined value. So we have both in here. So since we're not yet onto the homepage, let's head back. Click onto the three horizontal lines in here or the main menu and click on home. So you should be able to see in here your top movers in your list. So we have the AAPL and the Roblox. So you could go ahead and head onto different portfolios by clicking here under your list, the name of portfolio, or you could go ahead and click back here onto the main menu and click onto the portfolio name. Now, what about crypto or other assets? Google Finance supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. To add crypto to your portfolio, so you'll just have to do the same thing that we did earlier to create a new portfolio and then type in the name in here like crypto2 since we've added the Roblox already earlier. And then just add an investment for that. Let's type in Bitcoin. Click onto that and enter how much you own and when you purchased that. So then again, choose a date and save. Unfortunately, Google Finance doesn't support all cryptocurrencies, so if you're holding less common coins, you might need a separate tracker for those. Now, one of the coolest features of Google Finance is the news feed tailored to your portfolio. So you'll just need to go ahead and scroll here to see the relevant news articles for your investment. So we did go through this earlier. So it is beside the activity here onto the middle part. So just scroll down, click on news and events, and you should be able to see your portfolio in the news. So this feature will keep you informed and help you make better investment decision. So on the main Google Finance page, since you'll see the combined value of all your portfolios, so Let's head back home. This will give you a clear picture of your total investment across different accounts. So this will give you a clear picture of your total investments across different accounts. So you'll just have to maintain your portfolio or keep your portfolio up to date. So you could add new investments whenever you make a purchase or update your holdings if you sell shares or add dividends. Google Finance doesn't automatically sync with your brokerage account, so you'll need to input this information manually. So, as you can see, Google Finance is a simple, free, and user friendly tool for managing your investments. No need for complicated spreadsheets or expensive apps. Track stocks, ETFs, cryptos, and more in one place. So, get personalized news and insights to help you make informed decisions. So, if you're looking for an easy way to organize your finances, Google Finance is a try. Thank you very much for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you use Google Finance or if you have any questions. And see you on to our next video.